Welcome to Project Vape Light. Today we're turning this Chillax Go 5000 reusable pod vape into a flashlight. I've already produced a video on disassembling this vape, so go ahead and check that out if you want a full video. With this vape in particular, we're going to take advantage of the contacts of the pod. Now, taking apart the main carrier assembly, we're just going to take one of the wires off of the contacts and solder it directly to the battery. Now, with these tiny little wires, it's really hard to get them stripped on the wire stripper. So I just take an X-Acto knife to them. And sawing it with a coping saw was pretty easy. I was more worried about the silicone coating and how it would play against my disc sander over here, but surprisingly it cleaned up pretty well. Here we are cleaning up the inside and taking dimensions for the cover. Now just throw these dimensions right into SolidWorks and throw it into Cura to slice it, and then we can go ahead and print it. Now we have the main carrier assembly, the receiver, the case itself, the pod pieces, and the cover, which I made a different design of eventually. Warm white LED, same 1 watt, 3 volt one, 15 degree lens, and the 3 ohm resistor. Now cutting the wires for this. And here we are soldering the lead from the contact to the battery and preparing the wires for the LED. Here we have a quick function test to see if our connections conduct. And they do. Here we are installing the lens into the 15-degree lens casing and hot gluing it in place. And you can see here how difficult it was to actually solder the damn leads onto the bottom of the casing. And you can see I censored this part out because it was really frustrating. I ended up melting the casing. Should have probably just glued it in, I guess. It doesn't really matter since this silicone bottom base plate cover thing holds wires in place to begin with. But it's as simple as that. There's no switch or anything. We're just relying on the LED being a diode and the fact that it won't function if you reverse the polarity. And there you have it, cleaned up. I kind of messed up the bottom, you can see there. It doesn't work one way, but it works the other. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, rate 5 stars, comment down below what you think of this one, and if I should make more.